Planet Fitness Isolateral Super Incline Press Machine targets your upper chest muscles while also engaging your shoulders and triceps. The incline press motion emphasizes the upper portion of your chest, and the isolateral design allows you to work each arm independently, which can help correct any strength or muscle imbalances you might have. This machine is similar to the MTS incline press machine, with the difference being that the MTS machine uses a weight stack, whereas the Isolateral Super Incline Press uses weight plates. The machine includes a back pad and seat pad to provide you support as you sit. The seat height is adjustable to ensure proper alignment. It features handles for gripping, which are connected to weight pegs where you load your weight plates. Additional storage pegs are available to hold any unused weight plates. To use the machine, first load the weight plates you want to use. Then adjust the seat height so you can plant your feet on the ground and ensure the handles are at chest level. Grip the handles with an overhand grip. Inhale, then exhale, and push the handles upward until your arms are almost fully extended. Inhale and slowly return to the starting position. You can either press both arms simultaneously or work them independently. For beginners, you can perform 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets with a challenging yet manageable weight with 60 to 90 seconds of rest in between. Then you can progress by gradually increasing the weight and adjusting your counts. There are other Planet Fitness machines that they've recently added, which you can learn more about in the video on the right. Thanks for watching.